To change DPI settings on a Samsung Galaxy S26, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is super easy. You just have to open settings, then go to display settings, and then in here we can find the screen zoom. Over here we can move to the right and to the left in order to adjust the DPI over here. But if you wish to have like a more precise option that allows you to precisely adjust the DPI, then in that case we can scroll all the way down in the settings and go to About Phone. Over here choose Software Information and keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. Once that happens, once you provide the password, you will see the message that developer mode has been turned on. So now we're gonna go back to the main page of settings again, and then here we have developer options. In the developer options, we need to find a setting that is called minimum width. And in here, the lower the number we provide, the bigger the screen will be. So if I type something like, let's say 300, everything is going to be bigger. There are some limits, however, so I think it seems that 320 is the lowest value that we can provide. And if we provide a bigger number, like let's say 600, then everything will be much smaller. So we can press OK, and there we go. Now as you can see, I have changed the DPI quite a bit. It looks now like a tablet. And you want to be careful with these values. You don't want to provide like a really high number because it can mess things up. For example, right now if I try to enter like 360, that is the standard value, then now it doesn't work properly. So in case you mess something up and now you are stuck like this, what you can do is you can go back to the display settings in here, and you want to choose the screen zoom again, and you want to set up the middle option, for example, to reset everything to the standard size. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.